It's mid-October. Back in August of this year, I suffered a heart attack. I had triple bypass surgery. I'm recovering well. Today, I'm out for my first hunting ATV trip. I am so excited today. I've been looking forward to this. One of the things that kept me going is, as long as I get a chance to go out and do some grouse hunting, I will feel okay. Mentally, physically, I'm so excited for it. It's about 3 degrees Celsius today, which is what, about 36 Fahrenheit. So hopefully the grouse are out. And the main thing is just getting out and enjoying myself. If I get a bird, great. Regardless, I'm gonna be coming back to my little campsite here and I'm gonna cook up a nice steak over the fire. No matter what happens today, it's gonna be a great day. Boom. How do you like that? Oh, it's a beautiful day to be out in the woods on the four-wheeler. We're doing some bird hunting. Man, this feels so good. So far, haven't seen no grouse. Well, she's been pretty uneventful so far. I haven't seen a thing. Not the one bird, just moose hunters. That's it. But you know what? It's a good day no matter what. Like I said earlier, doesn't matter what happens today. But I mean, hopefully I see something. I always see something when I come in this area. But it's a little bit later in the bird season, so people have probably they probably got the easy ones. They're probably all gone. But do not give up hope. No. There's not a lot of places you go out in the woods and you find a picnic table. No. This area is like it's a memorial area for someone called the Old Trapper. Oh, I don't think I paid attention to this last time I was here a few years ago. Some old traps. Nice. Yeah. Very nice. All right, so far still haven't seen a thing. But I did just see some moose tracks on this old road here. And the funny thing is, I've never been on this one before. Weird. Weird. I've driven these trails a bunch. I like to ride and I like to do some walking as well. Ooh. Good mix of birch and different coniferous trees. White pine, spruce, balsam. Could be good bird country. Should be. Doesn't mean I'll see any though. Moose tracks, fairly fresh. Could have been from last night or early this morning. It's good size. So I would say this is a side-by-side that was through here. So my guess is there's a side-by-side tracks there, goes across the grass, and then it's kind of mucky where they went that way, and it's all kind of sunk in, and then these tracks are on top. So these are fresher than these side-by-side tracks. Cool. Okay, let's play Name That Scat. I'm guessing this is bear. About the size of my hand. It's not that big, but lots of seeds in it. Hello, game cameras. How are you? Why would you have two in the exact same spot? That's crazy. Just carry on. Oh, look. More scat. That one's got a lot of red berries in it. Whatever it was going through their system pretty fast. It's funny, I heard a noise. I think it was my tummy grumbling. Or was it? Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Dude, I'm getting hungry. I gotta have a snack. My tummy is rumbling. Grr. Got a grr on. Hello, Mr. Little Tamarack Tree. How are you? Today's snack is brought to you by Cracker Barrel. I wish. Medium cheese and bacon. Oh yeah. It's gonna pick me right up. Yeah. Cruising on a Thursday afternoon. Holy jeez. I don't want to do any more of this riding. Not when you're hunting. Holy jeez. Oh man, there's nothing like the rush of seeing wild game out in the woods. I just saw my first ruffed grouse during hunting season. It was a nice big male. I didn't get a chance to shoot. I was a little too far away before he walked into the bush. I stalked him, flanked him, found him, couldn't get a shot. There was a big tree in the way, and then he walked off and I heard him fly. Dang. So funny because I'm on this new trail and it just keeps going and going. And I'm trying to say to myself, I'm gonna see something. Because this is what happens. You get discouraged, you haven't seen anything. You know it's good country, and you know you're gonna see something eventually. And just keep telling myself, around the next bend, around the next bend, you're gonna see something. Damn it. It's funny, it's like I've been doing some pretty serious grouse hunting the last 5-6 years, and the first time of the year, you know, you're not sure. I don't want to miss because, you know, you think about that, but I know I got skills and I know I can find them. It's just a matter of time. Oh geez, where are we going here? This is a friggin' awesome trail, man. Like, awesome for hunting, but wicked. I wish I knew where it went. Thing is, it's been cut. Like, there's been lots of big trees that have been cut years ago. So it may go to a destination. Maybe it goes to Merrill Lake, a different part of it. I don't know. But she's pretty rough now, that's for sure. Oh geez. You know what? I think it does go well. There's a lake coming up. I bet you it's Merrill Lake. Or little Cuba beaches, but this would be a different. Oh. Or it could be a swamp. A really big swamp. I can just look at it on the GPS and I can see blue. All I see is blue in front of me. Whoa, geez. We should be paying attention to where we're going. This is not the trail. It may have been at one point. This is cool. Yeah, usually there's a trail, oh, that's got a lot of trees cut over the years. It goes somewhere. I need to throw her in 4-wheel drives.
Whoa! Holy! Wow! Oy, oy, oy. Man, I felt that. Yeah, this is probably the end of the line. I don't think this is Merrill Lake. We'll have to have a look on the GPS. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's just called Lake. All right, so this is a nice little spot. Maybe people camped here at some point. Yeah, maybe. We're gonna pitch a tent. Not super flat, but check out what I found. Come on, come on. So I see this wooden structure, and of course, there'll only be one thing. Oh, hey, Mr. Dragonfly. It's a crapper. And as you can see, there's juniper growing up around it here. No one's maintained it in quite a while. But it's an ingenious design because it's got a lid to cover it. Boom. How do you like that? The old classic wooden seat. Oh, I don't think anyone's used it in quite a while. Except for some animals. So I was thinking that this might be Merrill Lake or one end of it. I'd have to really look on the map. And of course, I don't have my phone with me. I left my phone in my vehicle. I will be going back to it, but dang. But it does go down that way as a ways. And yeah, it goes, there's an island there. I don't know if that's another island or a peninsula. But yeah. Man, I'm having a good day. I mean, I saw that one grouse, didn't get a shot at it, but maybe I'll see one on the way back. Yes. You know what? Life is good. I needed this today. Yes, I did. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. You gotta live your life because you never know. You never know which day is going to be your last. I can relate. I'm just going to sit here for a while and enjoy the view. It's quiet. Here's some animals. It's awesome. So to work my way back, I might hit one of this trail, this new trail here. There's a couple forks off of it. I might try the last one just to see. Maybe I see a bird or something. Now, I'll be ready for this. Look at this. It's freaking dropped right off. Sucked me right in. Goodbye, Lake. Nice to see you. I'll come back. It's rough getting down here. Holy jeez. Look at the rock formations. It's funny how we were just smooth sailing for so long, and then it is rocky. Oh geez. This is where I came from. The lake's behind me. I'm gonna take a left down this way. But back up that way, there's another left too. I don't know if we'll hit that or not. We'll see. I'm getting hungry. My whole plan was to go back and have lunch and then go back out after. But I like this bird country. So I'm here, I might as well check it out a little bit. I mean, I can always come back. Now, okay. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Ooh. Now what I see is a big frickin' ravine. Oh, there's a big beaver dam. Look at that. Look at that. That has got to be about a good 6 feet probably, that beaver dam. Well, we'll go and see what's on the other side. Why not? You know what? I see where trees cut, but this isn't really blowing my hair back. Not really. Not really. All right, we'll press on. Check that out, man. It's amazing how those trees get ripped out. The roots just go pow. Well, this is good grouse country. We got a mix of pines. We got a little bit of hardwoods. We got some birch. There's one right there. There's one right there. Good luck. Wish me luck. So it just walked into the bush a bit. I can hear it. It's not scared. So what I want to not do is go right at it and spook it. A lot of times they just walk along the side. They either go straight back in the woods or they go along the side of the trail. Wish me luck. The other thing is too, there could be more than one. I think he's about 15, 20 feet off the trail. About 10 feet ahead of me. I can still hear it walking in there. It's not far, but it's so thick. I mean, the odds of me getting this thing are slim because I'm gonna have to go in and I'm gonna make a lot of noise. But I don't want to go right at it because then I'll drive him away. Can you hear that? I'm just trying to listen to see if I can hear it. So far, I don't hear anything. And of course, I really gotta pee now. I don't hear it anymore. You know how they put on like the hockey games and football teams, they'll show the score probability of winning which team, and it goes up and down depending on the score. Right now, it's percentage of, it's pretty low for me winning. 4th time's the charm. I saw one off camera. I didn't get it, I didn't even have a chance. But I just saw this guy like literally not far after. He's just down in here. Got him. Big male. Nice. Frig yeah. Size. Oh yeah. Look at him. Nice. Oh man. That's awesome. I'm glad I got one finally. Holy frig. Southern Ontario, man, it's hard to get these friggin' things. You see them, you can find them. It's the 3rd one on this trail. Now the one I said off camera that I didn't get, it was a little female. I almost ran it over. I was going super slow and it just ran into it was spooked, ran into a tree, underneath the tree, and it had nowhere to go. There's a huge rock behind it. So I literally just walked up and then it was scared, couldn't see it. I'm not gonna shoot at it if I don't exactly know where I'm shooting. And then it just took off. So I was mad. I was ticked. Oh, we got one. Yes. Sweet. Smile. So I gotta tell you, this new little area that I've never hit before. I really like it. And I didn't even explore it all. I gotta work my way back to the vehicle, make myself something to eat, and then load up and get ready for home, because my plan was to kind of leave, start heading back at 3 p.m. and I think it's about 1:45. I think this says 1:28, but I think it's 15 minutes slow. So yeah, definitely come back on this trail again. All right, check it out. I'm on my way back to camp, and I need a spot, take a break, take a leak, take a pisser. And there's this area here. I saw a bunch of guys that were out hunting this morning, and I pull in. It's like, oh, I got a good place. Oh, there's no one here. Good place to stop. And like, come on, people. They leave it smoldering. Like, come on. Jesus, Murphy. At least there's not a lot of garbage around. There's like one can in the fire. Cans don't burn, you know. Don't worry, I'll make sure it's put out. Just ran into a whole crew of guys on the way back, packing her in from moose hunting. Hopefully this guy sees me eventually and lets me by. Oh man, friggin' dirty diesel. Holy frig. Stinks. Okay, let me by now, anytime. I know you see me in your mirror. Oh, there you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hopefully that's the last one. Yeah, buddy. I believe. S-T-O-L-L. And we're not far from camp. It's funny how I keep calling it camp, but I'm not camping. This is the spot where I can park. How's that? We're drifting! We're drifting! Let's see what time it actually is. I think it's 2:30. 2:54. Holy jeez. I guess it's more than 30. I guess my the clock on this is way slow. Oy. What are you gonna do? All right, I made it back to the campsite. Call it camp, but I'm not camping here. But I do get the fire going. Kind of quick and dirty. Nothing special, just enough to cook me up a steak. Yes. I'm starving. This is supposed to be lunch, but it's turned into early supper. Oh crap. Well, she's definitely done, or as done as it's gonna be. Yes. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. Shit. I'll just carry her right over to the plate. Don't drop it. Whatever you do, don't drop it. Yes. Oh yeah, buddy.
Well, I'm gonna eat this steak, finish packing up, load everything up, and head for home. Thank you so much for sticking around for this video. I appreciate it. I couldn't do this stuff without you guys, because otherwise I'd just be talking to myself. If you enjoyed this video, if you think about it, subscribe. Why not? It's free. If not, just keep watching. But while you're waiting for the next video, why don't you check out this other video I did last year when it came out for a 2-night camp and bird hunt and ATV ride. Like, go watch it anytime. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.